Hello, fellow riders. Today, I will guide you through the installation process. When you receive the package, take out the rear rack. Remove the battery key. Finally, remove the rear shelf battery. First, use a hex wrench to remove the screw at the latch. Then, take off the front cover of the latch. Align the rear rack latch with the C-post. Place the front cover of the latch back on. Hand tighten the latch screw. Then use a hex wrench to securely tighten it. Next, pull out the rear fender. Align the support rod with the screw hole on the bike frame. Fix it with the frame screw, and use a hex wrench to tighten it. Depending on your bike model, select the appropriate position for, and secure it with screws and nuts, tightening them with a hex wrench. Repeat the same process to install the clip on the other side. Then, attach the extension frame clips to the support rods on both sides. Secure both sides of the rear fender as shown in the video. Finally, insert the battery box into the rear rack. Turn on the red switch at the bottom of the battery box to check the battery level. If the battery is low, you can remove it with the key for charging. The charging port is shown in the picture. Once the battery is fully charged, lock it with the key and remove it.